Hello Digimon Masters Online. It's me, Bloodyjr, and I'm back. Finally, after 6 months, I quit Nemo because I was banned. So here I am once again. I'm back and I miss this game so much. And also my friends. Digimon Masters Online is my favorite game, especially Digimons. So here I am and coming back and I'm going to create again as a noob. So I'm going to create a new tamer right now. I'm going to select Marcus Tamer. Marcus Demon. Okay. Then pick my Agumon. What's the name of my Agumon? I will just call him Bloody. Okay. Create. Now start. Wow, I really missed this game. It's been a while. Wow, it's different. Cool. Wow, Omegamon X. So this is the new starting for the beginners. Oh, what is this? Oh, a movie. Wow. Cool. This is new. Nice. Oh, Dexmon. Oh, so I'm gonna fight this? Oh well. Okay. I'm noob again, so I need to learn. F1 skill. F2. Wow. And now I'm going to kill this Yggdrasil crystal. Another cinematic movie. Wow, this is so cool. I really miss this game. Wow. Omegamon X uses the all delete. Wow, this is really new. There's a lot. I got excited again to play as a new tamer. As level 1. Oh, there you go. Loading time. Oh, I miss my legendary account. How I wish I could get it back. Oh well. Right now, I don't know what to do. I'm starting all over again, so I need to level up and check the event. Oh, it's still the same, just like before. I need to follow this quest. Scan. Then return. See? Okay. I just need to follow all these quests. Now I'm gonna hatch. Need to input data 3 times to hatch a level 3 egg. This is the free one from the beginners. What do I call this? Worm. There. I got my first Digimon. I mean the first mercenary Digimon, the free one, the level 3. Oh, what should I do? I think I forgot this. It's been a while. I've been playing Demo almost 10 years now. But now I need to relearn again as a noob. Where's Mary? Need to click this. I need to follow the arrow. This is my mouse. Oh boy, I really missed this game. Oh, there's Mary. Oh, the quest now is different from before. So, what's this? Collect information. Digimon. So, I need to kill this, maybe? Oh, there's a box. I need to do the quest. There. I need to get 5 boxes. It's just like the quest, the old Digimon, but a little different. Need to kill all these Digimons, then Flymon. Oh boy, I really missed this game. I need to defeat 10 Digimons, then 5 Flymons. There. Last 2 Digimons, then last 3 Flymons. Now last 2 Flymons. There. Now I need to talk to Nikki. Where's Nikki? Oh, there. I'm glad I still. Oh wait, I forgot my inventory. Oh, what's this? Equip and touch inform. Warehouse expansion. Inventory expansion. Sorry. Oh boy, I really missed this game. Then the warehouse expansion. Another extra. I'll just click all this. I'm gonna put my chicken combo number 6 so that I can heal. What's this? For HP. And for DS. Okay. Here's for DS. Number 7. What's this? Experience boosters. Avatars. Oh, I see. Now, the level 2. Oh, there's another free. Cool. Wow. All I need is to level up to get free items. Now my inventory is getting mini. What's my next quest? Talk to the manager. Where's the manager? Oh, see. Oh, there's a boss skull sa Digimon. Buy cold water. Oh, this is new. I haven't seen this quest before in the old Digimon. 10. Buy 10. Then, I talk to the vending machine. Oh, talk to the manager. Now my Agumon Digivolve to Geogreymon. So what's my next quest? Talk to Mimi. Where's Mimi? Out there. Talk to Mickey, I mean. Now I will need to defeat the Togimons. And I think to collect items. You know, another free. Okay. This is easy. I need to collect the boxes. Oh wait, I forgot. I need to check the free rewards. There. Okay, that's cool. Wow. Got a level 5 hatchback up. Raremon egg. A reinforced Digimon box. What's this? Wow, 1000 XP event. Okay, that's very useful. Next, I need to get my free chicken. And now my free daily login event. What's this? Receive. Attendance check. Login time. Okay. So, I need to go request it. There. Almost done. There. Finish. Now I'm gonna play my quest. Bring device to it. Oh, so this is Ayase. Use the device to Ayase. Oh, this device. What does it? Oh, this one. What now? Go back to Mickey. Now I need to defeat 10 Elecmons. Where is the Elecmons? Oh, the Elecmons are here. Yeah, another free items. I'm glad there's a lot of free items right now. It helps a lot. Oh, so we need to scan this random costume. Okay, where's the scan area? Check the NPC. I'm not sure if I can scan this guy. Oh, where is he? Oh, he's in the back. I'll just go back later. I'm gonna finish this one. Cancel. Just need to kill 7 Electrons. Now 6 to go. And one more. Now I need to report to the quest. Okay, that's it for now. I'm gonna do this later.